Hi, I'm Chris Hasson and I'm at a luxury property that simply has to be seen to be believed. Single level, 4 cars of garaging and every single feature and benefit you can think of. Let's have a look. Single level, convenient luxury living has just exceeded expectations. High ceilings and extremely well built, quality workmanship and clever use of large spaces mixed with intelligent design to ensure every facet of a 6-star lifestyle awaits. From north-facing outdoor-indoor living to a chef's kitchen with butler's pantry, you'll be spoiled with practicality while enjoying the indulgence of many opportunities. An in-ground pool, sauna, integrated outdoor and indoor sound systems, state-of-the-art barbecue facilities and theatre room provides an abundance of lifestyle options. Simply too many features and benefits to name, but one of the best homes to come on the market in years. A luxury lifestyle worth investing in. With properties like this being rare as hen's teeth, I don't think it'll last long. If you want an inspection, give me a call, 040-234-8080. You can email me direct, chris@realestatefriend.com.au.